Hi guys, myself Uttam. As I had told you in my previous video that I will provide you the notes of all subject for semester computer science. Okay, so I have already provided you the notes of first chapter of data structure using C. So in exam sometimes objective type of question can also come, and this question are the objective type question of chapter number 1. So here we begin. The first number is dash means collecting, organizing, storing and maintaining a complete historical record of developed software. So the answer will be documentation. Documentation means collecting, organizing, storing and maintaining a complete historical record of developed software. The second one, dash is a process to remove all kinds of error from program. The answer will be debugging. Debugging is a process to remove all kinds of errors from program. Okay guys. The third one is the dash is a technique where a program is divided link number of module. In modular programming, the answer is modular programming is a technique where a program is divided into link number of module. Okay. In dash approach, calling module to always design before the called module, and here in top down approach, calling module to always design before the called module. In top down structure can be viewed as tree structure because in top there is only one method and the method will be divided further, so the top down structure can be viewed as tree structure. Okay. And the sixth one, top down approach is better for program development. Here dash approach is better for program development, then the answer will be top down. Dash variable are automatically initialized to 0. Then guys remember, only the static variable are automatically initialized to 0. Now the another question is, dash language is called, C is called middle level language. As you know, dash, if there will be dash, C is called as middle level language. Example of nonlinear data structure are tree and graph. Example of nonlinear data structure are tree and graph. And another objective, the operation that combines the element of one list and other list into third list is called merging. As you know, merging is the process of merging the first one into second one, second one into third one. In linked list, linear order is given by pointer. Okay. In linked list, linear order is given by a pointer. Mainly use looping construct are while, do while and for. Looping construct, there are three type of looping construct: for, while, do while, and the answer will be this. The symbol star is called indirection operation. As I had told in my previous video, it is used for declaring the pointer. The syntax of initialization of pointer is data type star, pointer name equal to values. Maybe this one also I have told you in my previous videos. Node with no children is called leaf. You will study this at I think in tree chapter further. Okay. Reference operator is address operator. The single AND is also known as address operator. Okay. And the reference operator also. Non-primitive data structure are stack, queries, linked list and trees. Non-primitive data structure are stack, queries, linked list and string. So guys, these are the objective questions which can be asked in our examination for 1 marks or 2 marks, and sometimes it comes for true and false also. Okay. So you guys can read this, you guys gonna read this in up to 10 minutes, and just remember it will be helpful in your examination to increase your marks in your examination. And some very short questions are also given here. Define data structure. As I had told in my previous video, the study of representation, organization and processing forms of data is known as data structure. The next question is the define pointer data structure which contains address of variable or other pointer. Which operation performed on linear data structure? Then the operation that can be performed in linear data structure are insertion, deletion and traversal. And the next question is, what do you mean by linear data structure? When each data of data structure has a relation with next data, then such structure is called linear data structure. If E is the data, then it has a relation between B. A is related to B, then that is known as the linear data structure. Okay. And what do you mean by looping? As you know, a process in which a set of statement is repeated again and again. It means iteration happening here. So looping is a iteration, that's it. What are conditional statement? In conditional statement there will be condition. The statement which skip or execute a set of a statement depending on result of a condition check are called conditional statement, like if else, nested if, sound like this. Different types of memory management functions. Types of memory management function. So this one is very important. Sometimes it's come literally. Okay. Malloc, it dynamically allocates memory. Syntax void star malloc size plus size. The syntax is that. The second one is the calloc, is syntax, and it takes two arguments. First is number of element and second is size of each element, and the third one is free. It deallocates a block allocated by malloc calloc function. Syntax void free bracket void star block. It takes argument that specifies the provides to allocate block. So guys, here the first chapter of our program structure using C has been completed. Hope you guys gonna love my notes, and if you're gonna like my notes then just please like and subscribe my channel. As I told you, I will complete the whole syllabus of whole semester in the chapter. So share this video to your friends. I'll meet you in the next video guys. Till then, bye bye, love you.